Hello everyone.
Hi Zulu.
I'm so happy to see everyone here. Everyone who's been invited to this event. You have worked very hard this year, being my girlfriends. So let's give yourself a round of applause, guys. You know, it's just so nice when I see you all like this because I remember on how I met everyone here. You know, ngiyababona khona ulihle, hayi lihle shine. Ngibona lana khona asanelo. Khona lapho. Ngiyambona ubuhle. Lihle. Okay. Sibuyela kwena. Hey, uliyema. Hey, hi guys. Today is going to be a very nice evening for Umkhandlu Sex Awards. Well, so firstly, I want to introduce the categories we have today. We have the best sex position, the best cuddler, unexpected feelings, most of it all gift, best side chick, and the lifetime achievement award. So let's go to category number 1. Best sex position. The nominees are Sanezo.
Must be nice.
The second nominee is Lihe.
Must be nice.
And the winner is Sanezo. Thank you, Sanezo. Thank you. This is one of my favorite categories. It's called the best cuddler. It's not on the touch of the soup, yes, but I got bad. But in my corner, if I corner, we're within. So the nominees are Bushle and Lihle.
Ooh, shame. Must be nice.
And the winner is Bushle. You know, guys, I'm so proud of you. Good nonke literally nami. Kulesikhathi esimbi ngase COVID-19. Inhlanhla yami lena. I'm so excited to see all of you. So it is very important that I acknowledge you guys. That every time ngidinga ngiyanthola. Like anibanga timetable here, like umuntu uyazi indawo yakhe. You know. And sometimes this doesn't say unexpectedly. So this next award goes to those unexpected moments. This is the unexpected lady that I caught feelings with. So this is category number 3. The nominees are Lizzo, Asonele, Lilita.
Oh my god, that's me!
And guys, the winner is Lizzo. Okay, guys, this is becoming a very, very nice night. I'm really enjoying this. Let's just go to the end break for now. Sikhokhe isikweletu siye itolo kancane. Siyobona sini isikweleta itolo bese siyabuya futhi emva kwekhefu. You can't try.
Believe it, man, the one I see you stuck in the ground till you stop breathing. Some of these rappers are hating for no flipping reasons. Some of them are hating just cause the verses are overreaching. I'm trying to spread my wings and they pulling me down. I should be the best, but I'm stuck on the ground.
Welcome back. Sisakhona. The next category, you know, it's all those people that say I don't want to be a side chick. But today I want to prove that side chicks can win something. You know, it's not always bad to be a side chick. You can't be living on the side and be a chick. And you know what is really emotional, because the person who's gonna win this award was actually beaten up by some of you. I won't say who beat her up, but yeah. The nominees are Lisa, Sanezo, Liema. Oh, this is a message. How do you feel?
Ooh, shame must be nice.
And the winner is Liema. So it's just said we have come to the end of our awards. I hope I'm gonna see some of you here next year, unless I have new girlfriends. Wow. It happens that sometimes abantu bayahlangana phinde bahlukane, you know. So, but this award goes, this is the Lifetime Achievement Award here at Umkhandlu Tribe. And it goes to someone who has really shown up in Abizwanga, to someone that has never asked for money, someone also not feel konomunya up in the mumba. I'm really proud of this person. Let me just call the nominees before I get emotional. The first nominee is Sonele. The second nominee is Lisa. And the winner is Lisa. So, not getting just one or two.
Hey, y'all motherfuckers!
What's good? So, I want to take this time to say, I told y'all bitches.
Thank you. Well, guys, what an amazing day. I saw all my girlfriends at once. I usually see you after an hour, after another hour, before another one. Please know that you're all special to someone else, not me. I hope I see you again next year. If you are still my girlfriend, Umkhandlu Tribe.
And these bars are brains are bigger than they praise. But it's cool to push on to knocking and climbing, knocking and sound to push up right into knocking and crazy. Give me the spotlight and I'ma raise my bar. It's not a wish but prophecy, I'm finna be the star. Until these haters embrace every bar that I lace. I'ma keep on pushing, break those if I